The Kudo Solutions Feature It add-on is designed to create showcase-quality image rotators with amazing transitions. It makes use of large banner images to feature products or content. Create ad rotators and control click destinations with ease. Save and reuse them in multiple places throughout your community. Feature It also helps Telligence featured content functionality go big and get noticed. Featured content items are rotated through one at a time, with each receiving its own solo act in the spotlight. Rotate through your community's best content with beautifully animated transitions. Enhance your banner headers and make each group destination feel unique. Feature It provides the ability to fully customize the group banners, bringing them to life with rotating background images. The Feature It banner is designed to work in any column layout. Drop an image or an ad rotator into a main subcolumn. Place your group banner in the sidebar. It just works. Craft the rich visual style you envision for your community anywhere with Feature It.